Hi there and welcome back. In this module, we'll cover optimizing your Facebook Live traffic. By the end of this video tutorial, you'll learn the necessary steps and strategies to optimize your Facebook Live. Getting massive traffic flow to your live stream can be done by determining the best time and date to go live. And to get things running, proper planning is necessary. First is the preparation stage, where you generate ideas on what you plan to talk about during your live stream. While it's good to maintain a certain element of being impromptu and improvising, planning would help to minimize the awkward silences, which help to elevate the quality of the live stream. When you go live, there's little to no room for error because you won't be able to edit things out. Other elements of planning to consider is how long the live stream will be. What other opportunities do you have during the live stream to meet your objectives like sales, promotions, brand awareness, and so on, and the right time to go live. Once your planning is done, the next step is to inform your followers that you'll be conducting a live stream on Facebook at the determined time and date. This will prompt your audience and followers to be ready and make time for the live stream, especially when it's educational and adds value. You'd want to prompt them and create hype because your live stream can be part of a bigger marketing campaign or sales funnel. Therefore, you want the maximum number of audiences tuning in when you go live. Blast out the message through email and other social media sites. In your announcement, write a compelling and simple description for your live stream. Include an end benefit for your audience. Always think about WIIFM. What's in it for them? Why should your audience tune in? What benefit will they get? This helps in creating desire, and you can also advertise the announcement on Facebook to gain more followers. There's no hard and fast rule about how long or short your live stream should be. What you need to take into consideration is to communicate a start and end time for your live stream in your announcements. This helps your audience in managing their time better and is so important, especially if you're selling or promoting something at the end of your live stream. You'd want your audience to be tuned in right up to the end so you can close with the sales pitch. For duration, any form of live video discussions such as reviews, vlogs, or live AMA sessions usually take about 30 minutes to an hour. Of course, this depends on you and the amount of questions raised by your audience during the live stream. A quick tip is to put up a timer in front of you to manage your time better. The timer on Facebook Live is really too small, and looking at it too many times throughout the live stream breaks eye contact with your audience. Short, live video sessions such as announcements and breaking news can be between 4 to 10 minutes long. If it's a live training or discussion session, it's best to break down your sessions into parts instead. With this approach, it's easier for your audience to learn and skip to the parts that appeal to them most. When you schedule your live stream, take into consideration the location of your primary target audience. Recommended best times to go live are at night between 7 to 9 p.m. or during weekends at 9 a.m. Generally, these are the times when your audience is back home from work and most likely to be on Facebook. Though these are the recommended times, what you can do is to put up a schedule in advance and educate your audience on the timing of when you're going to go live. It'll take a while at the beginning, but once you've done it a couple of times, your audience will know and anticipate your live streams. Also, take into consideration your time zone. This is important because when you have audiences from all around the world, you can't please everyone. But what you can do is first determine your primary target audience, then understand what time zone they're in and cater to their preference and go live. Of course, you'd need to balance it out with your point going live at a time zone that's best suited to your primary target audience, but is 3 a.m. in the morning at your side. You'll have to go live looking tired and haggard in the long run, and you'll get burned out. In summary, it'll be hard and uncomfortable at the beginning, and generally speaking, by the third time you go live, you should already have a template which you can then reuse or modify to suit to your marketing or business needs over and over again. But then, the key is to be consistent and don't give up.